Preparing for speaking part 2. What do I have to do? In this part, you talk to the examiner again, not your partner. The examiner will give you a photograph of an everyday situation and ask you to talk about it, like the one that you see here. After about 1 minute, which is the time that you have for speaking, the examiner will take your photograph back and ask your partner to describe a different picture. This part will take about 3 minutes. How do I do it? Think for a few seconds before you start to talk about the picture. The examiner wants to see how much vocabulary you know and how well you can express yourself, so describe the picture as fully as you can. Imagine you're describing the photograph to someone who can't see it. Talk about all of the people and activities you see. Add details about clothes, the weather, colors, objects, etc. Don't worry if you don't know the word for something. You can use expressions like, you use it to play tennis. It is used for going to the beach. It looks as if you put it on the beach to protect you from the sun. The thing you use when you go surfing. So these are examples of expressions even if you forget about the word. Try to keep talking until the examiner stops you. Usually they say thank you, which is a sign that you have to stop. Listen when it is your partner's turn to talk. Now I will give you a simple example what you can do for this picture. I can see a house patio. It looks like a nice day. It looks sunny. I can see a family car in the patio. It is a white minivan and has the doors opened. I can see a family, a mother, a father, and 2 young boys. The boys are wearing shorts, t-shirts, and sandals. The woman is wearing a white t-shirt, skirt, and flat brown shoes. The man is wearing jeans, a shirt, and also looks wearing comfortable shoes. It seems that they're going on vacation because I can see a brown picnic basket, a pink surfboard, a yellow umbrella for the beach. I can see a cooler, 2 rackets to play tennis or badminton maybe, and also I can see some luggage, a pink bag, probably with clothes. All of this makes me think that the family is going on vacation. And this is a simple way in which you can talk for about 1 minute and describe what you see on the picture. Remember, you have to use a lot of detail so that you can speak longer.